Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 10 and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications like this, swipe down once more, and you'll see a bunch of different toggles. We're interested only in one which seems to be turned off by default, so let's press right here on this little box. There we go. And you can see there is a super power saving mode, which probably isn't what you're going to be looking for, but I'm going to add it just so I can showcase this, and also the normal power saving mode. So I'm going to add that as well. Anyway, let's go back, and you can see there's our one toggle and then another one on the second page. So let's start off with the super power saving mode right here. And this one obviously prioritizes battery life. So at the current state, it also brings up the no location access. I'm just gonna close it. It will obviously save a little bit more battery, but with the super power saving mode, with the battery being at, what is it, 35% I think? Let me just quickly look at it. Yep, 33%. We will get 15 hours and just like close to almost 16 hours. So there we go. As you can see, we don't have a wallpaper, everything went into dark mode, and additionally a bunch of applications have been removed from here, from the home screen, and this mode obviously just straight up prioritizes battery life. I'm gonna quit it right over here, and I'll just show you the normal one. Now the normal one will just be a typical power saving mode, so let's find it again. Press on it, and that's basically it. It's now already enabled. You can see it that based on the battery, the filling of it has changed. Instead of being, I believe, white, now it's just kind of like yellowish, orangish color. And that's it. Now there's most likely a bunch of things happening in the background which might impact your data. So meaning that, for instance, mail fetching, messages from like WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, and so on might be a little bit delayed or not come at all if you're not using the phone. So if it's like right now locked, it went to like sleep mode, something that would be considered a sleep mode, and it normally disconnects from Wi-Fi and mobile data during this time. So you might not be receiving any kind of messages that are internet reliant. But when you wake up the device again, it should sync it up right away. And obviously to turn it off, just find the toggle once more, click on it, and you're done. So, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.